It's that time of year again, and today I'm going to be reviewing these skeleton hands. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending these out for review, so let's go ahead and check them out. So as you can see here, I have these skeleton hands. They come in a little small box like this. As you can see, these are waterproof, and they also have a steady timer. So let's take them out. Let's see what we got. This is the first time that I'm unboxing these, so let's check and see what is inside the box. What will you get when you order these? So first and foremost, you do get an instruction manual, since it's going to go ahead and walk you through your LED skeleton hand ground stake lights. All right, so they are not heavy. They're actually pretty lightweight. And as you can see, you get two separate skeleton hands. So let's check these out. They actually look really cool. So they actually fold. So this is the little stake that's going to go on the ground. We will be testing these out outside. But as you can see, they have a long stick. So this is what's going to go inside of the ground. And check out the cool skeleton hand. Has cool spiders right there on the side. It's a green and purple spider. It is a plastic hand. This is what the hands look like. It's a hard plastic hand, has the eyeball in the middle. Now these eyeballs are available in a variety of colors, so they are available in red, in green, and also in white. So we'll go ahead and get these plugged up. Now I do want to show you that these both are connected. So as you can see, they are connected to each other, and then you get this cool little case right here. So this one is actually battery operated. Now the batteries are not included, but you do need 3 AA batteries. And the little battery pack does have 3 options. So you have number 1, which is the timer option. You have number 2 and number 3 to turn them off. So let's go ahead and get some batteries in here. Let's go ahead and test these out. We'll go ahead and place them outside and see what they look like. So here we have the lights, the skeleton hands. As you can see, I went ahead and added the batteries. I went ahead and also placed them outside in the patio, and check them out. They're actually pretty bright. I was quite surprised on how much they lit up the patio. I'm giving you a closer look as what they look like. Super cool coming out of the ground. And like I mentioned, these are available in different colors, but these are the green ones. It looks super cool with the 2 eyeballs just sticking out of the ground, and installation was actually pretty simple. All I had to do was just kind of stick them in the ground, and they held up very well. Here's a closer look as what they look like on the patio outside. If you'd like to check them out for yourself, I'm going to go ahead and link them down below so you can check out the different color options they have available if you're looking for a spooky decor for the holidays. And also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.